So, sun's going down in Lloret De Mar. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have a little walk around. I'm going to show you what's open, see what's going on in the evening, check out the place. Is this place for you? Who knows? So let's go and have a look. Come on. So I'm going to start off here on the beach and then walk you through to where all the restaurants are. So let's go for a little walk. It's been a very, very nice day today. The sun's been out all day. Went for a lovely walk this morning. Did an afternoon walking tour, which will be in the playlist if you want to have a look at that. We're off for an evening stroll. So we came here last night, so technically it's my second night. First day, second night I suppose. Had a cracking afternoon. Went back to the apartment, had a chill out. Got a brilliant spot right overlooking the beach. So we've got a couple of bottles of wine, sat down, chilled out. And I'm on the trip here with my mum on this trip, so she's forcing me to drink all the time. It's not doing me any good at all. So let's have a mooch over. So time of filming is about 9 o'clock-ish. Sun's going down. I think it's about 10 past 9 sunset at the moment. And let's wander over to where all the restaurants are here on the front. Then I'll go back one street to show you what's going on there. I'll hang on this side because all the music's on the other side. And I don't want to get a copyright strike. I'll just show you what's open. Cocktail bars, restaurants. Let's say it's 9 o'clock-ish now, so some people have already eaten and gone. Some people are just coming out. We stayed out last night until well past 12. Drinking beer on the balcony until 1 o'clock in the morning. Like I said, my mum's a monster. She keeps drinking, forcing beer down my neck. Moon's out up there somewhere. Hello.
Hello.
Went out for breakfast this morning. We had a liquid breakfast and cheese and ham toasty on one of the bars overlooking the beach, which was absolutely amazing. Went out for an evening meal and had the worst meal I've ever had in Spain, so there you go. You can't always pick the best places. So tomorrow we're going over to Costa Brava, I think, and I'm gonna have a walk around there. As you can see, promenade and the beach is on this side. Gotta say, it's a very, very chilled out place. Since I've been here, I do like it. Price wise, I think it's more expensive than other places I've been to in Spain. It's not what you call cheap. Cheapest beers I've found in places where I want to go and sit down. I've been around about the €5 mark for half a litre. I've been to other places in Spain where you're paying 2.5. So price wise, a little bit dearer. I suppose if you up the prices, it attracts a slightly different crowd. So you're not getting massive crowds of kind of like girls and lads, so less rowdy, I suppose. Saying that, it's quite a mixed bag of people who are here. Oh, we're good, thank you. We've already tried to eat tonight. And what we'll do from here, I'll take you up from here, backtrack on myself, and we'll go down the back streets and where all the bars and restaurants are open there, around where the church area is. and then I'll go further down to where all the clubs and the let's carry on. Your phone nearly run out of memory then. Forgot to delete stuff from before. It's pretty quiet this week, but next week is bank holiday, and I think this place is going to be absolutely rammed. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to walk back on myself, back to the very start of where all these restaurants were, and go on the back street and then walk back on myself again. So let's carry on. Yeah, unfortunately I had a shocking meal tonight. It's always a mistake. Ordered a steak. It wasn't a steakhouse. It was disgusting. It was like shoe leather, so fired that one back. And we had some sangria, and that was like, it was like sucking syrup. So the whole thing went back. Never a question asked. Was it good? Was it bad? Did you enjoy your meal? Nothing. And here's your bill, mate. You live and you learn, don't you? So let's carry on and go check out more places. So let's carry on, and we're just now right behind where we were filming a moment ago. The shops are just wrapping up. So it's getting up about 9:30ish now. See, it's closing down, and the bars and restaurants are pretty much coming to life. So as the shop's shut, the nightlife opens up a little bit. Now it is actually midweek, so it's not exactly party central at the moment. Hello. So we're just getting more into it now from the back, and it'll get livelier and livelier as we get more in towards the centre. Camera doesn't like the lights there. These LED lights pulse, and they're all set at different pulse frequencies, so you can't set your camera to stop it.
Hola.
Hola. Oh, try, yeah, try. Let's try some of this.
Échame la mano.
Thank you.
I have the same.
I'm going to be crunching these for a while now.
Are we doing that?
Oh, God, yeah. Some of these side streets have got things going on as well. And you can see up here, there's some bars and restaurants there.
so if you take her out and she orders the lasagna or anything spaghetti, you go.
There we go, we come to the church. And there's the moon up there. There you go, as you can see. More stuff down the side streets. So if you are coming this time of year and you want to know what it's like, pleasantly warm. And this is where I should have come from for a steak. Look at all this. Oh. And like I said in my other videos, I've done a couple of videos around here now. If you haven't got any recommendations for a really nice bar, restaurant, steakhouse, fish place, paella place, leave a comment in the comment section below. Helps me, it helps anybody else who's coming to this area, and you can see what's going on and maybe take your recommendation and get themselves into a nice bar or restaurant. So this is like the little square where the church is. There are obviously more streets left and right with a lot of stuff going on, but you can't go up every single one. Came here last night in this restaurant right in front of us, just here. This place had a cracking meal, some icy cold beers, really nice and relaxing. Other restaurants are available. Oh, let's have a walk up here. I did walk up here during the daytime when most of the shops were open, and as you're getting into the evening most are shut, so I think I might just double back on myself because there's not a lot going on. Let's get a little bit further. Yeah, everything's closing down. There's not a lot open here. So I think I'm just going to spin back round, stop and have a drink, and carry on. Yeah, so I did cover this street in the daytime walking tour, so if you want to have a look at that, check out the playlist. So I'm going to go back to the centre and then go that way towards where all the main discos are and all the main nightlife is. So come on. So let's carry on. So stopped off for a couple of beers here. 3 beers for €10.50, which is pretty cool. So this little strip here is a bit quiet. So you get to the end of here, turn a left and carry on, and it brings you straight back onto the main street. So I'll just stop this bit now, no point in filming this. Yeah, so I think I mentioned it's 11 o'clock. Last night this place was absolutely buzzing. So we're on a Wednesday. Oops, sorry, I'm your way. So it's much quieter. Don't know why. And it starts getting busy again. So we're back into the main area again now. A bar area that's absolutely rammed. Full of the younger ones. Well, safe, feel completely safe. Well, even on walking down the darker streets, feel really safe, not an issue. I was here last night with the Irish Barries, the Highwaymen. They were spilling out with this place, but yet again a bit quieter tonight. Don't know why.
Yeah? Come on, let's do it. You do it now.
Oh, what?
You got Bob, you sit there?
Got the moves. And now you're back onto the main road that goes straight from the beach up into the top of the resort, full of nightclubs and what have you. Might be quiet because it's a midweek and not a weekend. Well, let's have a quick look and see. These guys selling flowers to everyone, desperately trying to anyway. Londoner. Well, thank you. You okay?
Free.
Yeah, free. Yeah, it's really quiet, so I'm not going to bother walking up and down it. It's pointless. But here you've got your casinos and stuff, subways, more stuff going on. And just up the street, you've got more stuff going on, which I did on the daytime walk. So it looks very quiet, and I can't be bothered walking up. So let's head back towards the beach. Revere, thank you.
Ah, bla, stop. Vous n'avez pas le temps pour rien à la fin. Il a pris tes ailes, il a marre, là.
I think someone's had too much to drink. And there you have it. That's pretty much an evening walk. I say tonight seems really, really quiet. I'm back at my hotel, which is just under KFC's. I'm up there. And I'll just show you across the road. A few bits over there, not sure if they're still open or not. 11 o'clock, Wednesday night. Yeah, that looks quiet as well. Not a lot going on. So there you have it, that's a walking tour of a Wednesday night here in Lloret De Mar. Not a lot going on tonight, pretty quiet. Much busier last night, don't know why. So yeah, if you like this kind of stuff, why don't you show the channel some love, give me a thumbs up, ring the notification bell, click that subscribe button, it's completely free. I'll catch you on the next one, and thank you for watching.